Manually adding blur effects to a video used to be time-consuming and frustrating. You had to adjust the position, and even then the blur could easily lose track of the subject. With AI-powered video blur tools, the entire process now takes just a few minutes, with higher accuracy and much more natural results. In this video, I'll show you how to use AVCLabs Video Blur AI to easily blur video backgrounds. AVCLabs Video Blur AI is an AI-powered video blur tool that allows you to automatically blur backgrounds, faces, license plates, or any selected parts of a video with a high level of accuracy. Let's see how to do it easily. First, open AVCLabs Video Blur AI and import the video you want to edit. You can simply drag and drop your file into the software. Next, go to the top toolbar and select Background Blur. The AI will automatically detect the subject and blur the background instantly. If needed, you can also change the blur style to match your video, adjust the blur intensity, or switch to foreground blur. There are several built-in blur effects, and you can also upload custom blur options. Once you're satisfied with the result, click Export, choose your preferred format. AVCLabs Video Blur can also automatically blur license plate or faces in videos with high precision. With multiple blur effects and stickers. With just a few clicks, AVCLabs Video Blur AI helps you achieve professional-level video blur effects for protecting privacy in videos. If this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials.